Start saying stuff.
Yeah, right. Is that enough?
That's way too much, dude. You already fucked up. Hold on 1 second. What are you, deep frying the egg? Look out. I don't want to burn you. It's a non-stick pan. You don't need that much. Did you see what I did? You ready for this? Let the pan get hot.
Vargas is omelet.
Alright, go ahead.
You ready?
Go ahead. Can't wait to see this shit.
I'm sure you should. So far, so good?
No comment. You already spilled a little over the side.
Instead of making an ass out of myself, can you help me a little bit?
Oh, you just gotta keep going. What the fuck are you doing?
I fucked up on the omelet. Look at this.
It's not fucked up yet.
Just let it cook.
Jesus Christ.
No way. I can't do this, see? I'm not a professional chef like you are.
Don't forget your cheese, by the way. You don't use it all, just use a handful.
Sorry.
There's a plate underneath mine, by the way, that you can use.
Oh, shit. Yeah, it's all blood.
Holy shit. Look out. There's your plate. Did you see how I turned it?
Yeah.
Turn the heat off, by the way, before you completely fucking set everything on fire. What the fuck are you doing? Stop. You're only supposed to do it once, dude. Turn it upside down. And then take the plate. Here, take the fucking thing off. Hold on, don't touch this. I have to compare the two. Alright, let's take a look at these. Alright, this is my omelet. This is the
Yeah, laugh it up, fuckball.
It looks like hash browns. Any final thoughts?